everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. Today we're using the masterboards we created, the scanned copies, to make an envelope. And I have a little template here just for ease of use. And you can make your own templates. You can trace around an envelope and create your own template to save, or whatever you'd like to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this template and make a mini envelope to go in our junk journal. So you can see right here, I'll just do it with a marker so that you can see well. But this template will be used over and over and over again, so we don't want to write on it, but I'm just using it to create this cute little envelope from our masterboard. And you can definitely do that with any envelope template that you have, or make your own. So I'm just going to come in here, draw out my fold lines, and then wipe off my template so that this permanent marker doesn't stay on it. And then we're going to cut it out and make a cute envelope. Now all you have to do is cut it out. And I'm just going to cut this little piece out of my scanned masterboard so that it's easier to cut it out. And then I'm just going to cut away the edges. Just fussy cut. Once you have your little envelope cut out, you are going to burnish these score lines. Now you can score them on your trimmer if you want to. If you have scoring tool there, you can fold them over. It's pretty easy. You can actually use your ruler to help you get a straight line if you want to do that. And then all you have to do really is you can take a little glue just on the little tabs, glue down your bottom, and then you have a little envelope to go in your junk journal. Now that one seems a little crooked. I'm going to fix that. There we go. And you can decorate your envelope however you like. So as you can see here, I am decorating, embellishing, trying to figure out what I want. I end up putting a cute little sunflower on here, and it's a really cute little envelope. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you will join me for part 7. Part 7, we're going to embellish a junk journal page with the masterboard, or with one of them. So anyway, have a wonderful day, and hope you'll come back next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.